think my vokera compact boiler has an issue with the expansion vessel. When I turn it on, it was on 1 bar, heating up, rises right up to 3, over 3. It's probably going to cut out any moment because the pressure release valve is going to go off, and it will cycle through this problem 3 or 4 times. When the boiler cools down, it will drop right below 1 bar, and then it won't turn back on again because there won't be any pressure in the system, so I'll have to top it up, and the cycle continues. So every morning I have a good bit of heat through the night, but when I wake up, there you go, it's just about to go into the red. I've checked the expansion vessel is pumped up, but I think it might be a block in one of the pipes to it. So I'm gonna turn this right down. Yeah, let's turn it off. Got a plumber coming in the week, so hopefully we'll be able to find out what the problem is. But keep getting this issue where the pressure rises right over 3 bar, water spurts out the release valve. Alarm light's flashing now, and yeah, I'll probably go outside and find there's water outside. Then it will turn back on again, the pressure will rise back up to 3-4 bar, let out more water outside, and it will just continue to do this. And then eventually, when the water in the system cools down, I have to fill it back up from the filling loop, I think it's called. And yeah, not great. So hopefully find out soon what the problem is. I've checked the expansion vessel pumped up, so that's not the issue, so maybe something else. Find out.